Went out to do some trash pickup at the beach on what turned out to be one of the windiest days of the year. It was also king tides, which if you don't know, basically just means really big waves. The surfers were out enjoying the waves, even though there were rip tides. Piles of seaweed were great places to find trash. Oh boy. Yikes. And it's probably from an RV, which means it's sewer. And I just realized next to a dead bird. These guys were kite surfing and it was so cool to watch. They would actually go airborne at times. I bet that they love that it takes them back out instead of having to paddle. Ooh, there he goes. So fun. Trash around the fire pits is the worst. I'd never seen a remote control kite before. Hopefully you can see it here. Also very cool. Okay, an hour and 40 minutes later, and I got a couple bags. I gotta put it all together and weigh it when I get home. But it was good, and what I'm most thankful for right this moment is that I didn't get a ticket because I paid for an hour and time kind of got away from me and I was here for like an hour and 40 minutes. So here are the plastics I found, and all these toys were not found together. They were just scattered all over, plus the plastic like that. Everything here is plastic. And we have some fishing weights. This is just plain trash. We have flip-flops and slippers and socks. Lots of bottle caps. Cigarette butts and styrofoam type packing material. And a couple of regular recyclables. I got my 2 bags here. 2.4, I believe it's kilograms. I'll have to check that. And this doesn't include the sewer hose and the big piece of styrofoam or foam, I guess.